What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Jake the dog from Adventure Time. Now you want to begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, so we go all the way around and then back up towards the top. Now let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Now we're going to drape the muzzle on top of the nose. So from the center, let's step up. So we're going to start with the left side. We're going to go out and then bend that down. Let's go back up to the center, go out around the right side, and then bend that down. Let's round up the left side, and just tuck that up underneath the nose on the left. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Just gonna round this out, and just pull that up on the right. Just underneath the nose, let's add a curve for the mouth, coming down and up. And then add 3 teeth in the center. Starting on the left, just draw a half oval, draw the middle one, and one more on the right. Let's move down again and draw the bottom of the mouth. I'm going to come down and then up, and then in the center add a curve for the tongue. Now we're going to draw 2 large circles for the eyes tucked in behind the side of the muzzle. Let's leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to go all the way around towards the top of the eye, come down the side, and then just pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to move over, draw that same size circle. All the way around and then tuck that in. Now we want to draw a smaller circle just pushed up towards the top right. So let's start from the top of the left eye, come all the way around and just pull that in. Go to the top of the right eye and do the same thing. Going in towards the muzzle, go around and then up. Let's fill the outside trim of the eyes. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the head coming down towards the shoulders. So starting from the outside of the left eye, let's step out, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to tuck the ears along the side of the head. Let's start halfway down this line, curve the ear coming down and then up. Now we're going to go up towards the top of the head. We're going to go up, then that in towards the middle. Let's go all the way across towards the right. I'm going to do the same thing. We're just going to flop the ear around the side and then pull that up. Now I'm going to layer the arms on top of the body with the hands on the hips. Let's start from the left side. We're going to step in, curve the arm going out and then down. Let's go to the right, going out and then down. Let's round up the elbows and just bend that back in towards the side of the body. And then we'll add 3 fingers along the inside. Let's start on the left. We're going to step out, curl around, and then back out. Let's layer 2 more fingers along the top. Starting from the inside, go all the way around, and then down. Go to the top and do that one more time, coming down towards the wrist. Now I want to trace the curve of the arm going back up towards the top. So we go all the way around, up, and then bend that in. Now we want to line up this line underneath the arms and draw a straight line coming down on top of the paws. Let's move down underneath the hand, curve the body, coming down and then in toward the legs. And then we'll bend the leg, starting back on the left, go out, and then down towards the ankle. Now on the left side, we're just going to draw the foot. We're going to go out, round out the foot, come in, and then up. Let's follow the curve of the leg, going up, and then in towards the body. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Jake the dog from Adventure Time. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.